Put one egg in the cold water. Add some white vinegar and salt. Bring to the boil and let it boil for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes of boiling, quickly cool the egg. Peel the egg carefully and patiently. Make a double breading with the flour, the beaten and salty eggs and the breadcrumbs mixed with the Parmesan cheese. Fry the egg for 2 minutes at 180 degrees. Let's try to compose the dish. Put some carrot cream and spread it. Then put some flour to make the base for the egg, and put the egg. Some crumbs of dehydrated olives and beetroot sprouts. Look, the yolk remains liquid. Share this video to the friends and follow me on Instagram to see the cool dishes and some interesting moments of my life. Thank you for the support. See you!